Once you have created a property, you can start adding paddocks. There are a couple of ways to do this. You can add your paddocks manually or upload paddock boundary files that you may have from other farm mapping software that you already use. In this tutorial, we will look at how to upload your paddock files. First, make sure you have downloaded and saved your files from your mapping software onto your computer or laptop. Then, under the property, select the Upload Paddocks button. Choose the file to upload from your computer and select Upload. The paddock information will display and include your paddock code, paddock name and hectares if that information is available from your files. If not, you can upload the paddock boundaries and update all other information in Paddock Planner. Review the paddocks and if all okay, select Import. Your paddocks are now available to update or go ahead and enter your crop plans. If you don't have property files, see the next tutorial on how to add paddocks manually.